of this guy. I own a lot of nice stuff about Sherry.
Nak. Best friend.
The lovable one. And
Ano masasabi niyo kay Ali? Tsaka kay Joseph?
I'd like to thank you all the best I have because this is the first time I met you.
This is the first time I like.
No, first time that that I'm here in San Francisco. Right? And that's good. But of course I have to thank you all the for me. And here's my final point. I love you.
I love you daw.
Love you too.
I love
I love you, Sherry.
Hindi alam ni Tita pangalan ko.
Mark!
Mga anak na, nakalimutan niya yung pangalan.
Hindi. Ako pa. And
Pen.
oh, you. Thank you very much. And I think that you heard me. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
You're welcome,
Thank you.
Tito. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Talaga, mahal na kayo. That's the point. Yeah, that person is good too. Guys, bilang gusto ko nung ito, tupoy ko. Kumain mo kayo, kumain nyo. At lahat tayo
Magmahalan.
Magmahalan to, lahat.
tayo. Lahat tayo. Wala ka. Ayaw ko nung may baka. Tayo. Pero, mahal natin yung mga kaibigan natin.
Siyempre.
Siyempre. Para may utol. Hindi mo nakita yan, pero mahal ko na yan.
Ganyan na kita, utol niyo na.
Gano'n kayo close? Ka-close?
Hindi, pati kayo ang kasama.
Nakakatakot yata.
Sige, dahan mo. Baka sumabang yung kita sa meron.
Makasta ka na to. Nakala ka na.
Ako pa rin ang kasama.
Oo.
Bakit tayo? Masira ako.